on a 10.5-hour drive down to Italy. 2 hours in, 8.5 hours left. Got loads of music to keep me busy and entertained. Normally I would have made a video to show like the preparation and getting ready for all this, including the new bike setup and stuff, which I didn't do because I was super busy getting everything really last minute and I had loads of other things going on. But I'll tell you some more about that along the journey. Off to Italy, Aosta Valley, got some really cool rides planned. Not like a long through ride, I'm camping and doing different rides every day. It's a bit more relaxed, a bit easier, don't have to carry as much stuff with me. But it's going to be really fun once I get there, and hope to get some great stuff to show you. So enjoy, and in the meantime, let's get some tunes pumping and continue this long journey. Here we go. Don't know how well it shows up on GoPro, but the valley is super hazy, as you can see, and I thought this was normal, like mist from the the sun in the morning heating up the moisture or something. But apparently yesterday someone told me that there's currently wildfires in Canada, and this is the smog that's come from those fires all the way over to Aosta Valley in Italy, which is pretty amazing.
Tastes like gold. Oh, what you do to me, no one knows. And I realize you're mine, and
this is what you don't see much of, because it's a pretty boring video, but this is a lot of what I spend my time doing on a trip like this. Either pedalling up in the granny ring really, really slowly, or pushing up. And I'm sure again, this is where people would say something about having an e-bike, and I do see the benefit, but I don't hate this. I quite enjoy this, and look at that view.
You and I must fight for our rights. You and I must fight to survive. No one's gonna take me alive. The time has come to make things right.